Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Kitchen Stories app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Kitchen Stories is a beautiful design cooking app that offers a wide range of recipes with step-by-step photos and video guide. It's perfect for beginners learning new techniques as well as seasoned cook looking for inspiration. Features like serving size adjustment and measurement converters and cooking mode make it highly practical, while the high quality tutorial and the global varieties of recipe make cooking more approachable and fun. On the downside, some features such as shopping list have been sealed back and certain advanced tools may require a subscription. Users also who prefer simple recipe storage might also find the app more polished than necessary. Overall, Kitchen Stories is worth using, especially if you want a visually engaging and easy to follow recipe app that doubles as a learning tool, but less essential if you are after no free recipe manager. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.